Numit Ninigi Mamang, February 23 Numidangda, Imphal West District Additional SP Operation, Werangthem Amit Amadi, Atay Police Officers Singda Kulai Paibamio Singna Chatakiba, Life Attempt Towiki Todo Adu Akan Mamaungda Condemn Towi Haina, IGP 𝗬𝗙𝗚𝗓𝗓 Fongdokre, Ngasi Imphal Police Headquarter the Pangtokiba Paugi Mifam Amada, IGP 𝗬𝗓𝗓 Hai, Kulai Paibamio Singadu Arambai Tengolgi members Singni, Numit Aduda Makoine Additional SP Amitki Imung Manungi Mio Singdasu Nongmai Kaptuna Amadi, Lantung Kaya Amang Ata Tokanduna Kian Kanganke, Additional SP Bukulai Paibamio Sing Aduna, Faduna Puraga Furaki Adubo Police na Matam Chana, Tinghauda Badigi. Ngapigani Tinghaubadagi Thadoraki Thodok Aduga Mari Lenina social media da masing khangdana aranba paukaya sandoktuna police officer asigi amadi police department ki mingchat thihanaba honarakpa thenglare haki magna hai asengba wafam di February 23 ki numit yungba matungda North AOC da leiba government oil depot dagi masak khangdaba khulai paiba mioi kharana ambassador car ani huba lakpa tawkre haibagi pau ama police sa fangki Pau adu hek fangbaga M Amitka Imphal West Commando OCP Achobaga Loinena team khara changsinjuna thi humba chathabada car ani adu thatki Loinena car huran bada chenaba mioi ama faki mahaki matakta Imphal Police Station da under section 3798 400 506 34 IPC amadi 24 clause 1B arms act ki makhada FIR amal lokhati amadi thizinba hauki haina IGP 𝗬𝗓𝗓 Fongdoki magna high police haivasi Matondagina Makha Faba Apunba Tim Amani. Police ki mioi amada attack toba habasi yamna haksina logani amasung akan batavak lokatkani. Adugi sumatakta social media da police officer amabu natraga unit amabu target tarakpada case panduna akan batavak lokatkani haiki.
Yet to come back, so we are going to do the operations to recover those vehicles there. And we want to appeal to the public also, not to use the social media in the negative way, in the wrong sense. Let us try to use it in a more positive way, especially not for character assassinations. Because as just now it is mentioned that no one is perfect, and in this kind of situation, it is not the time to find small mistakes of one another.